Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about insertion sorting. Insertion sort is one type of internal sorting. Insertion sort internal sorting is nothing but is used for sorting the smaller amount of elements. So insertion sort we go with only smaller amount of elements. So let's consider array of list 5. As we did for bubble sort and selection sort, we consider the same elements and we sort it 2 4 1 3 5. But in insertion sort we take sorted and unsorted list. Let's construct an array 2 4 1 3 5 0 1 2 3 4. So this first element we consider it as sorted, remaining all are unsorted. So now let's compare this a of 0 with a of 1. A of 0 with a of 1. Is 2 greater than 4? No. So no swap. So after comparing, this 4 goes here into this sorted list. It's 2 4 1 3 5 0 1 2 3 4. It goes into sorted order, it goes into the unsorted order. Now we will compare this 0 with 2, again 1 with 2. It is a of 0 and a of 1 and a of 2, a of 1 with a of 2. Is 2 greater than 1? Yes. Is 4 greater than 1? Yes. Sorry, I forgot to say that. First we will compare this element with this. If this is greater, next we will check this a of 0 with a of 2. First this happens, next this we will check. So now we will swap one a of 0 with a of 2 in this way. 1 4 2 3 5. And now these comes under sorted, this comes under unsorted. 1 1. Okay. So after comparing this 4 greater than 1 and 2 greater than 1, we will swap this 1 as well as we will swap this 2 and 4 as well. And we take this as sorted order, this we take it as unsorted order. Now we need to compare this 3 with this. Now is 4 greater than 3? Yes. Now we will check is 2 greater than 3? No. And is 1 greater than 3? No. So we will swap this 2 like this. 1 2 3 4 5. Now these are sorted, this is unsorted. Now we will compare this with this. Is 4 greater than 5? No. 3 greater than 5? No. 2 greater than 5? No. 1 greater than 5? No. So the final list is all sorted 1 2 3 4 5. All are sorted one. In this way, insertion sort, we will divide it into sorted and unsorted order and we will swap the elements. And in the next tutorial, we are going to learn about merge sorting. So if you like this video, please do like, comment, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of the new videos which we upload. Thank you.